good afternoon and good evening. Hello, good evening. So, I got a package from Wii. Wait. This is for Christmas. So, unboxing natin guys. Ito yung mga in-order ko na galing sa Wii. Kaya if you want to order sa Wii, ilagay ko yung link sa comment section. Kasi sabi ko sa kanila, I want to make me float. So, but my husband cannot do it. Because, yeah. Ito guys, oh. Wala sila. Hindi pa available ngayon yung main board na galing sa Pilipinas. Kaya ito na lang muna. Sinugin. Madami. Daming mangga. What's that? Oh. Egg. Salted egg. Salted egg. You should try the egg. Salted egg. Then smell na Angel. And I have all-purpose creamer. Para to sa sa rainbow. Nagagawin ko. That's all done. And by the way guys, nakalimutan ko na if mag-order pala kayo sa Wii, you can get $20 off sa first order $10, second order $10, so $20 total. And then free shipping if your order is $35 and up. So free shipping. Available siya sa as long as sa US ka. And this one, Grahams. Wow. May Grahams na ako for Christmas. Cream densada. Kailang expiration ito, 2026 pa. Kasi pag pupunta pa ako sa store, mahal. Ay, magagastos pa ako ng gas. Order na lang. Jufran. Ay, wow. Sweet chili sauce para ito guys sa lumpia. Lumpiang Shanghai.
And delicious cheese. And
then, Eden cheese. Finally, meron na akong Eden cheese. Gagamitin ko to palaman sa mga tinapay. Or magluluto ko guys ng Filipino-style spaghetti. So, kailangan ko ng Eden cheese.
Spaghetti sauce?
Yup. Spaghetti sauce. Yan o, Filipino style. Hindi ako nag-order mga madam ng pasta kasi meron ako ditong pasta sa bahay. So, spaghetti sauce lang yung in-order ko. Sure, my husband is the one doing the unboxing. So, can you make you unbox? I got another bibingka. We will try this. We should try this bibingka. It's a rice cake. The one we tried last time. But it's just cheese. Bibingka.
I think I will like it.
You will like it. It's like puto. You remember puto. And then, meron ako mga madam, rellenong bangus.
I'm not eating that. No way.
Rellenong bangus, oh.
Coconut.
Rellenong bangus. And then, grated coconut. Hala!
Hala!
Tender juicy hot dog. Wow! Ang hirap kayo maghanap ng Filipino style na hot dog. And then, bangus embutido. Oh, babe, put that ice in the refrigerator later na. Okay. Thank you so much, Wii.